right, good morning everyone. So it's Friday. You need to take out the worksheet from yesterday. Now, for those of you who finished yesterday, upload, and we'll give you the second worksheet that goes with this one, the level 100. All right, just pause for a second, get this out. All right, so number 2, now you're going to be doing like measure of angle MOL. So I'm going to find MOL. So here is MOL. So I'm looking for this angle. We're going to call it W. So what I noticed is that when I cover up this part, I have a straight line here, right? And what do straight lines equal to? Yes, 180. So I'm going to write a new problem in the same box. 62 plus W is actually equal to 180. They're supplementary. They're not equal to each other. These two are supplementary. So minus 62 minus 62. So W equals, now I get to subtract and borrow. I get 118. Whoops. I don't know what I'm doing. 118 degrees. Sorry about that. 118 degrees. Just like so. So because these two are supplementary, they equal to 180. So I'm now going to set up equal to 180, not set up equal to each other. They're not vertical, they're supplementary. All right, let's look at number 3. So they want to know BOC. So first find BOC. Here's my B, here's my O, here's my C. BOC. Oh, so I'm looking for this angle. Now I'm looking for a straight line. Now, do I really want to use this? No, because there's an x over 2. Don't really want to use that. But if I go this way, oh, I have this and this. Let's call this one again W. So I have these two angles. What do I know? I know that they are supplementary, so we're going to set it equal to 180. So I have 95 plus W is equal to 180. So now we're doing the second part of this worksheet. You're going to now set them equal to 180. So I'm going to subtract 95 from both sides. Yes, you have to show the work. Yes, you have to borrow. In this one, we have to borrow twice. So not just a 7, but a 17. And then 10 minus 5 is 5. 17 minus 9 is 8. So our answer is 85 degrees. Okay? All right, we have those down. Same thing on the back. You're going to do the same thing. For this one, COB. So this one, again, we're going to call it W. Now, if I go this way, it looks kind of complicated. I got 2x and 50, too much stuff. But if I go this way and make a straight line here, oh, I just have 100, right? Hopefully right now you're like, oh, 100 plus W is equal to 180. Well, that's a piece of cake. That's a piece of cake. All right, so we're going to do that. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to, for those of you who are done with this one, we're going to give you the second worksheet. Okay, so this will be the second worksheet. This one you will receive today once you finish the first worksheet. Make sure you upload to Canvas. This is the second worksheet. So this is next level. Now, this is what we took notes on yesterday. Okay, this is when you have x's on both sides, and our goal is to first get all the x's to one side, and then you're solving a two-step equation. So let's do the first one together. Now this video will also be posted on Canvas, so if you need to watch it at your own pace, you may. So number 1, these are vertical angles, so I need to set them equal to each other. So I'm going to have 4x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 60. Okay? So your first goal is to get x all by its all the x's on one side. So I have 4x and I have 2x. So which ones do I want to move? I want to move the 2x to the other side because it's smaller. How do I move it? Minus 2x minus 2x. All right? If you want to show your work in your notebook, you may. You just have to take a picture of it. So 4x minus 2x is 2x, bring down the minus 6, is equal to 60. Okay, what do I still have to move? I have to move the 6. How do I move it? I'm going to add 6 to this side, add 6 to this side. What's 60 plus 6? That's right, 66 is equal to 2x. How do I move the 2? Right now it's being multiplied, so the opposite would be to divide. So I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2. What is x equal to? That's right, 33. So I'm just worried about you just telling me x on this worksheet. And that's it. Just tell me what x equals. Let's set up number 2 together. So these two are vertical, which means they're equal. So 5x plus 9 is equal to 57 minus x. Okay, draw my bars. So I have 5x, and I have an x over here. So I want x's all to the same side. So I have to move this one. How am I going to move it? It says minus x, so what are we going to do? That's right, plus x, because the opposite of subtraction is addition. So what is 5x plus x? 6x plus 9 is equal to 57. You should be able to then go on from here. Show your work. All I'm asking you is to solve for x and not the angles on this worksheet. Upload, and it's worth 3 billion points. Have a great spring break. Remember, any ALEKS topics that you do starting on Monday will count as extra credit.